Hello. Hello, good afternoon po. So today, I'm going to present our research project, research performance task. So today we're going to compare two products. So we're just going to manipulate one variable of that product. So today we're making coffee. Coffee, the other one is coffee with milk. The other one is coffee without milk. Now let's proceed. So what are the procedures? So first, prepare all the ingredients. Second, I already prepared them, so we can use more time for discussion. Second thing to do is to boil your water. Okay, so I already boiled water here. Then the next is, so we're going to put them in mugs. Okay, but the problem is, it may be inaccurate because of difference in um, amount of water. So we're going to use a measuring cup here, okay, to assure that there are same amount of water for the two mugs. Okay, so there. Then here. Okay. Now that we have placed our water, so here's the water. Okay. Oh, it's hot. It's very hot. Okay, wait. Let me show you here. Okay, there. Okay. Now we're going to open our coffee. So we're using black coffee. So here to show the differences, okay? So same amount of water, same coffee, same temperature used. Okay. Okay, so let me just then here, here, here. Okay. Okay. Now what we're going to do next is to stir, see? Okay. So stir gently because we don't want it, leaving our mugs. Then stir it completely so that there is no difference, okay, in data. Now the first one, we're going to leave it alone. The second one, we're going to put milk in it. So here's the milk. Okay, let me show you. Okay, you can see the milk. So we're going to place these 2 tablespoons of milk. Okay, so dahan-dahan lang because we don't want it spilling. Okay, there. Okay, we placed it. So mix it, stir it, make sure that it doesn't spill. So these are the procedures. We're doing it live, okay? And then we're going to discuss are there any differences between the finished product. So we use the same procedures, we use the same water, we use the same temperature of water, we use the same amount of water, same type, we use the same coffee, we use different add-ons like milk, okay? Okay, there. So I can really see right now that there is indeed a difference. So let me show you. So this is the one. This is the one without. Wait. Yeah, this is the one without milk. This is the one with milk. So you can really see the difference, right? So this is the one without milk. This is the one with milk. So it's different. It's very different in color. Okay. So We have proved that there has been indeed a difference between the two finished products when we manipulated one variable, which is the one without milk and the one with milk. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to test the consistency of the different coffees, the two coffees. Okay, because we have to have different criteria. So this is the one without, I mean with milk. So we're going to touch it. So as you can see, it's how do you describe it? It's it's very sticky. Okay, it's very sticky. And how about the one without milk? So it's not that sticky, right? It's like water. Yes, it's like water. While the other one is like it's like very slimy. Okay, it's not that slimy, but it's sticky. The consistencies of two coffees are different. Okay. So what else can we use to describe the differences? Okay, wait. Let me try using litmus paper to see if there are any differences between their pH levels. Okay. Going to take our red litmus paper. Okay. Okay. We have two strips of litmus paper. Okay. Now we're going to put it in both of so you wouldn't believe me, but the one with the coffee, I immersed the litmus paper in the one without milk, and it has remained red. Okay, it has remained red and actually dark red. Okay, now the one with milk, it's actually it's actually lighter. Okay, it's actually lighter than the one immersed in the coffee without milk. So we can say that there has been indeed a difference in their pH levels. It means that the milk has turned the coffee into a less acidic mixture. Wait, see, this is still, my hands are still sticky because of that. Okay, so with the three criteria we used, we can say that there has indeed been a difference. There has been a variation. Okay, so the modifications cause variations in the finished products. Okay, so this is true because we used exactly the same parameters for both our products. Okay, we only manipulated one variable, which is the milk. Okay, so yes, there has been a variation with the different products when we modified the additional milk. So I guess that is it. Thank you for listening. We have deduced that modifying this coffee would change its properties. Not totally, but still there it is visually, it can be seen. Okay? Now that is it. Thank you for listening, and that is the performance task 2.1 of our